Good morning. Shabbat Shalom. It's a rainy day in Hawaii, specifically on the island of Hawaii. We've been getting a lot of rain, but I'm just relaxing, drinking my coffee this morning, and just enjoying a rainy day. One of those days where you just don't want to go anywhere, and you don't want to do too much, and just enjoy the rain. Different sounds of the rain. My plants are getting so much rain. Look at all the plants over here. I had to put my transplants over under. I got like this little lip here that sort of protects them from getting too much rain, because it's been raining a lot. It pretty much has rained all week. I think yesterday we had a kind of sunny day, but they are getting plenty of rain. So that's good. It's kind of nice when I don't have to go out and water. Just water the plants that don't get too much rain from being covered. So it's nice to talk about the sunshine and the beaches and the mountains, which are so beautiful, but we also got to talk about a lot of rain. We get a lot of rain, especially during our winter season. Some people were saying that have been here a while, that they hadn't seen it be so much rain in May, because normally we've been getting a lot of rain in February, March, and April. But this time, I don't think we got as much rain in February, but we've definitely been getting quite a bit in March, April, and now May. So climate is doing different things everywhere. But this is where we just can sit and chill out when it's a sunny day. I can just sit in front of my window and listen to the rain. I wasn't going to do too much narrating today, but I did want to share. I put this up on a social media post about healing, and how I was observing that in nature, anything that needs repair or healing, it naturally occurs, naturally happens. Just think of a flower, and like even this one, because we've gotten so much rain, some of the stems had fallen off, and now look at it, it's repaired itself in a sense that you can see the flowers coming back. And then this one too, this really pretty color over here too, from all the rain. I think I had to go and kind of clear off the leaves, but it's naturally healing itself and coming back. And so when you look at how Yah made nature to replenish itself, to restore itself, to heal itself, it is the exact same resilience He's made within us, both naturally, or I would say physically and spiritually. And I shared Psalms 23, where David talks about that restoration and taking the time to
allowed to make him lie down, to lead him by the still waters, to restore his soul. And that's the ability that Yah gives us through rest. And so how it's important to rest and to be restored. And then he says it leads him by the path of righteousness, because when we have a heart to do what's right. I'm looking at these birds up here. You see those birds in their shoes? They're chilling with the rain. But when we have a heart to do what's right, a heart that is repentant, if we've done something wrong and we decide, I want to get that right with y'all, and we repent, which means to change, to turn around, how that also brings peace. Righteousness brings the fruit of peace and healing, getting things right in our relationships with people. So important to our healing process. Because whether it's in your home or in the workplace, relationships are key, and good communication and making sure that we're honest and open about things that we need to get right. Making that phone call to someone who needs amends. It brings peace. Doing the right things. Having a heart to please Yah. So he leads us through the path of righteousness for his name's sake. As we bear his name, our lives reflect him, should glorify him in all that we say and do. It's our desire. And then it says that he prepares a table before us in the presence of our enemies, and he anoints our head with oil, and our cup runneth over. And then surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives. I want to go back real quick just to the point where it says, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. And when I read that this morning, it occurred to me the valley of the shadow of death, or what some would call the perils of life, or some would call trauma. It says, I will fear no evil, meaning we are safe. He keeps us safe. He protects us. And then it says that his rod and his staff comfort us. And so his rod of authority and correction and protection, as well as his staff that guides us and cares for us, takes good care of us. So happy that the Most High takes good care of us. And everything we need we can find in him. Our comfort, our healing, our protection, our rest, our restoration. It's awesome. I love to just watch it through nature. Well, you all have a blessed day today. Shalom, shalom.